Why entrepreneurs should start a urea manufacturing business from natural gas. What is the reason entrepreneurs should start manufacturing business of urea from natural gas? Beginning a manufacturing business using natural gas to produce urea is a profitable and strategic choice. Urea is an important ingredient in the agricultural industry that serves as a primary nitrogen fertilizer. With the need for food growing, the requirement for efficient and high-yielding fertilizer like urea is more essential than ever. Natural gas as a fuel source is not just cost-effective, but also sustainable and reduces carbon emissions when compared to other options. Why urea manufacturing from natural gas? The idea of starting a business in the urea industry with natural gas provides a variety of appealing reasons to entrepreneurs. High demand. Ample raw materials, government support. Economic growth. Applications of urea. Urea is a very multifunctional nitrogen-based chemical, is extensively used in a variety of agricultural and industrial applications. In the agricultural sector, urea is used as an essential nitrogen fertilizer that aids in promoting the growth of plants and increasing yields on crops. It's also used in animal feeds to supply protein for livestock. Advantages: urea manufacturing from natural gas. The advantages of making urea using natural gas are many. Cost-effective production, environmentally friendly. High yield, flexible operations. Advantages for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs can reap a variety of benefits when they venture into the urea manufacturing industry. Stability of markets. Urea's constant demand guarantees market stability and profit. Growing potential. With the growing demand for agriculture, the growth potential for this area is huge. Export market opportunities. Urea of high quality is sought after worldwide and opens doors to export markets. Technological developments. Access to the latest technologies increases efficiency of production and quality. India market outlook for urea from natural gas. The market for urea in India is set to see significant growth, fueled by the growing demand for agricultural products and initiatives by the government to boost domestic production. The emphasis on efficient and sustainable natural gas-based production of urea results in lower environmental impacts, which is in line with the commitment of India to sustainability and independence for fertilizer supplies. World market outlook on urea. The market for urea in India is set to see significant growth, fueled by the growing demand for agricultural products and initiatives by the government to boost domestic production. The emphasis on efficient and sustainable natural gas-based production of urea results in lower environmental impacts, which is in line with the commitment of India to sustainability and independence for fertilizer supplies. Business opportunities for entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs have the potential to seize a variety of business opportunities within this sector. Domestic supply. The goal is to meet the domestic demand for premium urea. Export potential. Exploring an international marketplace. Diversification. Expansion into related products such as ammonia and other nitrogen-based fertilizer. Conclusion. The idea of starting a urea manufacturing enterprise made from natural gas is an excellent option for entrepreneurs. With a high demand, low cost of production, and huge potential markets, this business is sure to yield significant returns and growth potential.